I'm going to go over a set of essential oils. This is the essential oil gift set, the 12 assorted essential oils. And looking at the side here, there is an expiration date. You can see these expire in 2026. So I guess you get about 3 to 4 years on these things. So some of the oils that are in here is bergamot, cinnamon, eucalyptus, frankincense, lavender, lemon, orange, lemongrass, peppermint, tea tree, rosemary, ylang. How about that, everybody? So this is Passionate About Pampering. How to use, add 10 drops to a water-filled diffuser, which I have a little diffuser right over here. If you want to use it in a bath, add to 6 to 8 drops in a warm bath. So there's kind of everything in it. Let me open this up and just show you. Number one, I love this little gift set. It comes in a nice little gift box right here. It looks really good. I like the little flower set. When you open it up, the smell that I know you can't smell coming through a camera, but that smell smells amazing. I love that smell when I open it up. And here's all the names that I just named off right there. Very cool. Let's pull out the cinnamon. You know what? I like cinnamon. Just like I like a cinnamon bun, I want to smell like a cinnamon bun. So shake it up there. It comes in these little bottles. Now these little bottles have these little break apart seals on them. You see that little seal? And that's the thing. So it's basically like my other one. I had another one laying around, but yeah, well, that smells like cinnamon. Yeah, this is something I recommend for anyone that just wants to you know, some essential oils at a very affordable price. I think this should be a great gift for someone. Or like me, I got a little diffuser and I want to run these in a diffuser. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Laguna Moon 12-piece. See you on the next video.